One of the most used design patterns in Unity is the singleton. In this video, I will show you a better way of making singletons and don't repeating yourself. So to do this, I create a new project here, and inside this project I have a folder called scripts. Inside it I have a singleton script, a sum script, and the task script. And I create a game manager here that has the sum script. And let's first look the main reason why we are here, the singleton. And the main reason that this is the best singleton implementation I saw till now is because it is we implement it just one time and then we use whatever you want. And why this? Because here it receives a generic type here called T, and where T is type of component, so it's a component that is in some game object, and the rest is almost the same that we are used to make inside the Unity. We create a static instance, but in this time we call it the type of T because we don't know the type yet, and we need to have a get method here that we can use to call some methods inside the T script that we will use. You'll see this in action in a few moments. This getter has an if that first we see if the instance exists. If not, we try to find some instance inside the game. If that instance exists, we return it, but if not, we create one. So here we create a game object. We name this game object as the name of the object called the script called T. So in this case will be some script in your example. And finally we assign it this game object to the instance using the add component and add the T, and finally we return it. And inside the awake method we are doing the same that we are used to do when we construct the singleton inside Unity. We verify that the instance is different from null. If it is null, we just destroy the game object that has this instance, because the singleton pattern just needs one instance at a time in the scene. So if we have more than one, we need to destroy it. If not, we just take this instance and assign it to this as the type of T. Okay, so let's see the sum script. The sum script is a very simple script that just have a public void write on console that have some text here. And to use the singleton, we just need to substitute the mono behavior here by the singleton, because the singleton already inherits from mono behavior. And here inside the type, as we can see in the signature of this class, we need to pass a T type. In this case, the T type is this script here. So we pass the sum script and create a public method that can be accessed in another scripts. So imagine that we have this test script and we need to call the write on console that is inside this sum script that is a singleton. And here I have a timer, so I've made a simple example here where on the start we use the instance of the singleton and call the write on console. After that I call this timer coroutine, and after a while, and after that I just destroy the instance here, the singleton. And after that we are trying to call the same method again to write on console, but of course we delete the singleton. So what will happen? Let's test this. Inside the camera I have the test script, and inside the game manager I have the sum script. So I will press the play button. When the game starts, we have the sum text. As you can see here, the game manager was destroyed, but after 5 seconds sum script is come back. And now, instead of having the game manager, we have the sum script that is the singleton now, you know, because first we delete it, we destroy it when it gets inside the start. The name the game object was game manager, but after that the singleton, the getter, inside the getter we construct a new instance of the singleton, and pass the name as the name of the game object that we have inside of the class that we have, and we call the class that has the singleton. In this case is some script that is calling it is a singleton. So this singleton here is have the name of some script, and the object inside the Unity will have the same name as some script. So this is great, because now we just need to write singleton once, and we can use wherever you want, just doing this, and we already have another singleton object inside the game, but with a different type, but having the same functionality as before. So it's much easier, much cleaner, and I hope you understand. If not, let in the comments that I can help you answering your questions. And if you like the video, please give it a like, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.